Hi, I'm Kurt with Infinity Cutting Tools, and today I want to talk to you about our unique router table packages. We've got a full selection of table packages on our website, but this video is going to focus on the RTP 103. This exclusive Triton router table package is one of the best deals on the market because you don't need to buy a router lift. It comes built in onto the Triton Plunge router. So that makes this package affordable and very, very high quality. So let me walk you through some different components on the package. Our Super Duty adjustable height stand is a perfect base for your router table. This is made with 14 gauge steel, creating a very stiff, strong feeling router table. It's got an adjustable height from 34 5/8 up to 40 5/8, making it one of the most adjustable on the market and allowing you to hit that comfortable height level. There are non-skid levelers which help you steady the stand even on slightly uneven floors. And that's a big plus while you're doing any sort of routing. You don't want to be rocking when you're doing it, you know. There's a caster kit that you can attach for it that's extra, but it'll allow you to move it around the shop if you need to. There are table support bars, and these run front to back on either side of the cutout on your tabletop, and what these do is to help out in case there's ever any chance of sag in your tabletop. It really helps stiffen up the tabletop and make sure that it stays nice, flat, and square and straight. There's also an extra support bar that runs around the tabletop, and this does two things. One, it helps with that stiffness of this tabletop, and the other is it acts as a support in case you want to put a shelf here. So you have spots to put a shelf here and a shelf here for extra storage, which is, as you know, in most of our shops, you know, storage is a premium. So having the ability to have a couple of extra shelves in there is a big plus. Our tabletop is what ties the whole package together. Infinity's universal tabletop is a whopping 1 1/8 inch thick, giving the router table great weight and strength. The table is made with a 1 inch thick MDF high pressure face with a 1/16 melamine bottom and our 1/16 inch microdot laminate on the top. The microdot laminate top makes for an amazingly smooth gliding surface that offers little resistance to your workpiece. There's a heavy duty T-mold edge that protects the sides on the top. Made locally, this precision CNC machine top is guaranteed not to bend, buckle, or bow when used properly. The top also includes an extruded miter and mini combo T-track, accepting all standard 3/4 and 3/8 miter gauges, and accepts 1/4 inch by 20 hex bolts, which means it'll work with most aftermarket feather boards and jigs, as well as your shop-made jigs and fixtures. This 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 cutout accepts router plates and lifts from most manufacturers, including Incra, JessEm, Woodpecker, Craig, and Jointech. There's mounting holes for the JessEm plates, as well as drilled out slots for the Woodpecker and others. We pre-drill mounting holes on the underside of our tabletop to make fitting of the JessEm fence and our table stand quick and easy. The JessEm Mast-R-Fence II has a dual track fastening system with adjustable scales that can be set up for a zero reference and fast repeatable setups. It includes 2 PVC coated phenolic sub fences that can be dual adjusted as well as offset with the included offset shims for joining operations. There's a large chambered 2 1/4 inch dust collection port to really help out with your dust and chip collection. This is a great fence to go on this table. Triton's 3 1/4 horsepower router is what makes this package such an incredible value, because you don't need a separate router lift, and that saves you hundreds of dollars. The router can be used in the table or outside the table as a plunge router. It's a full 3 1/4 horsepower router with an electronically controlled motor, soft start, and micro winder for fine depth height adjustment. The Woodpecker aluminum plate is pre-drilled to fit directly onto the router, making installation super fast and easy. The Woodpecker cast aluminum router plate is very strong and stiff, and the low friction anodized coating makes it easier and smoother for wood to glide across. It features 8 top leveling screws and 2 adjustable spring-loaded plunges on the sides to make it easier to achieve a perfectly flush fit. It also includes 3 twist lock rings to help achieve zero clearance on your throat opening. We also recommend Woodpecker's 8-piece lock ring set to really fine-tune that fit. Once the Woodpecker's inserted and the Triton router is mounted to it, it's simply easy to use with basically just raising the head up until it stops, at which point this locks into place and you can do all of your router bit changes above table. This is much easier than having to undo the router from underneath and pull it out. So as you can see, the RTP 103 router table package from Infinity Tools combines some of the best products on the market to create an amazing value router table package. This router table is strong, sturdy, easy to assemble. All the pre-drilled holes on it make it go together with the snap. I'll cover actually that in the blog. We were really proud of this router table package. I think you'll be happy with it.